In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a free trial on Shopify. If you've been wanting to try Shopify without committing to a paid plan right away, this walkthrough will get you from the homepage to your new trial store in just a few minutes. I'll explain what you'll see on screen, why each step matters, and a few helpful tips to keep things smooth. Start by opening your browser and going to shopify.com. You're looking for the main call to action on the homepage that says Start for Free. It may appear near the top or center of the page depending on your device, but it's usually hard to miss. Click that to begin the sign-up flow. You'll first be asked for your email address. Use an email you check regularly, since Shopify will send important updates and, if needed, verification messages. Enter your email, then choose Continue with Email to move forward. Next, create a password for your account. Pick a strong, unique password you don't use elsewhere to keep your store secure. After entering it, click Create Shopify Account. This sets up your login and prepares your new store. Shopify may present a brief setup questionnaire about your business. To move quickly into your trial, you can select Skip. Skipping here doesn't lock you out of any features. It simply lets you fill in those details later from your admin if you want. You'll now be asked to add a store name. This will generate your myshopify.com URL, so take a moment to choose something you're comfortable with. The subdomain created from this name becomes part of your permanent store address, though you can always add a custom domain later and change the public-facing store name anytime. If the name you try is already taken, adjust it slightly until you see it accepted. Once your store name is set, click Finish. Shopify will provision your new store and drop you into the admin dashboard. That's it, your free trial is active, and you can start exploring themes, adding products, and testing the checkout. A few quick tips as you begin. Trial offers and durations can vary by region and promotions, so keep an eye on the trial end date shown in your admin. You can add billing information later if you decide to keep the store live, but you don't need to do that to explore during the trial. Set a reminder for yourself before the trial expires so you can choose a plan or close the store if you're just testing. You're all set. Enjoy your Shopify free trial and start building your store with confidence.